Hello everyone, it's Tin here from Tutorials Hub. Now in this video we're going to create another AI chatbot. If you haven't watched some of our other videos, you can watch some of our other videos, but today we're going to make an AI chatbot for dentists. So if you are a dentist, or if you're someone that wants to create chatbots for dentists, specifically AI chatbots, this is the video for you. Now, in this video, we're going to use GoHighLevel. GoHighLevel is a platform, all-in-one marketing platform that allows you to create AI chatbots. Now, it also allows you to do a lot more, but we have a bunch of other tutorials on our channel about that. So if you want to use GoHighLevel with us here and follow along, just go down below, click, we have a 30-day free trial. So first of all, what you want to do is you want to go to settings and you want to go here and go to conversation AI. This is where we're going to create our first bot. Now keep in mind, you will need to have a sub account. We have a sub account right here, which is just an account that is called sub account. It's basically an account where you're managing all of your business, in once basically. So, and as you can see here, what we can do is we can create a bot, and obviously this will depend what type of bot you want to create, right? It can be general Q&A, it can be appointment booking, it can be just starting from scratch. So what I like to do is I like to do appointment booking. Now this really doesn't matter which one you're going to click, because we're going to use a custom prompt. So you go here and click continue. So now that you continue here, what you're going to do is you're going to just go here and add a bot name, which is going to be, for us, we're going to be calling the clinic Lumai. So as you can see, I have already prompt ready in ChatGPT. I will show you how to do that in a second, but it's going to be Lumai Assistant, because the dental clinic is going to be called Lumai. So we're going to go with suggestive. Suggestive just sets the bot status to be suggestive, so it will suggest a couple of things, right? So this is by far the best feature that you can add. And then here you can add where this bot will operate: on Instagram, on Facebook, on SMS, on chat widget, on live chat. I always like live chat. I don't like SMS. Again, this will depend on you. If you want to do it on your website, in the right corner, then live chat would be probably the best option for you. Now here, this is just a bot trial. We're not going to do that just yet. Also, here we have a business name. So business name can be Lumai. And then autopilot mode, what I like to do is I like to have wait time before responding. I like to be 2 minutes is okay. 1 minute is also good. Maximum messages a bot can send in conversation. Again, this will be totally up to you. Keep in mind that the pricing is $0.02 per response, which is, again, not that crazy expensive, right? So we save here. And as you can see, we've right now created a bot. So what we want to do is we want to go to bot training. And what we want to do is we want to go to bot goals, actually. And here is our prompt. So as you can see, this is personality, intent, and additional information. So what I like to do is I like to screenshot this, right? And I like to say to ChatGPT here, or actually I cannot add this image to ChatGPT. So what I will do is I will say, give me a prompt for an AI chatbot that serves as an appointment booking bot for a dentist clinic called Lumai that is located in Chicago and that works from Monday to Friday, 7 a.m. to 5 p.m. Now, I need a prompt for personality, intent, and additional information. I need a separate prompt for personality. For separate prompt for personality, intent, and additional information. So let's do that. And then as you can see here, we have personality prompt, right? So this is, we just copy this, we paste it right here. Here we have intent prompt. So we have an intent prompt, which is right here, right? And then we also have additional information prompt, which is really, really important as well. Again, make sure these prompts are looking quite good. So And then as you can see, set up actions, we want to do the appointment booking. So we can also pick the calendar. Now the best part about this tool, GoHighLevel, right, is that you can integrate a calendar. So what you can do is you can go, let me just go back to GoHighLevel here. In another tab, let me log in and let me show you one thing, which is really interesting. And you can go here to our sub account and you can create a calendar right here. And as you can see, we can go to calendar settings, create a calendar, and we can have like a personal booking, a round robin booking. This is if you have multiple members, a collective booking, a class booking, whatever, right? So for example, for this, it would be probably service booking, which is a seamless scheduling for service-based businesses. And let's just go here and, this will be like free teeth whitening session, right? And obviously we can add here and adjust everything. I will not go into too many details here, but as you can see, at least one team member, right? We need to add that. And then once you do that, you can go here, click on appointment booking, and then here, as you can see, you will have a calendar. Now you can also book appointment, only set the booking link as well if you have booking link, but then make sure that booking link is right here. Now once we have this, what we can do is we can test our bot. So we save here. And what I like to do is I like to go to bot training. So let's just see right here. So this is how we test our bot. Hello, I would like to schedule, or let's just do hello for now. As you can see, hello, welcome to Lumai Dental Clinic. How can I help you today? Would you like to book an appointment, or do you have any other questions? Let's say I have, do you have free teeth whitening that I can book for, right? And then as you can see, we don't offer free teeth whitening services. So again, if this is what your bot is saying and you are offering free teeth whitening services, you can add that into the prompt. But Lumai does provide professional teeth whitening at competitive rate. If you're interested in booking appointment for teeth, and then you can say I am interested. And then as you can see, the bot will say, great, I'm glad you're interested. I just need to gather a bit more information. Do you have a preferred date and time? And as you can see, the bot is clearly working. So that's something that we can do, right? So we can test the bot here. We can add the prompts here. One more thing or additional thing that you can do is you can add a website. So you can add all the URLs with your website. So let's say my website is fuelyourdigital.com. I can add this right here. I can get the data from the website and I can feed that to my AI bot. And then my AI bot will be much smarter and much better. So that's something you can do, customize bot responses. So if you're getting, and I always like to say, when you're already have a bot and you already know what people are asking, just go here and add a Q&A. It will make your bot much better. So those are the couple of things that I wanted to show you, right? This is how you can kind of test your bot. And then obviously, bot settings, right? If you want to set this as a primary bot, you can set it as a primary bot. You can back to bots. And, if you want to, set this as a primary bot, you can set this as a primary bot right here. Obviously, you can add this, as a bot on your website. So as you can see, it's a live chat right here. So yeah, that's something that you can do. So let's say if we go back, if we go to sites, if we go to websites, so let's say we can create a new website. Let's do it actually from templates here. And what you can do is you can add on a website a live chat, right? So let's say, you can go here and let's say you want to do this website here, we can continue. So this will be added as a template. So you see how powerful GoHighLevel really is. You're having to, you can create a bot, right? You can go and you can create a website as well. You can also adjust your calendars, which is really awesome. So that's something that you can do inside GoHighLevel, everything, in one place. Now, I will show you how you can kind of incorporate that. So right here, you will have let me just go to the consent. Okay. So what you can do is you can go here, and here you should have a chat. So if you don't have a chat, you can basically go to actually back. So I actually wanted to show you one more thing here. So you have chat widget right here, guys. So right here, and then you go to new, and then live chat, and then you can select here. And then as you can see, this is the chat widget and chat window. And here you can adjust your chat, right? So here you can adjust your bot, and then you can get the code, and you can add this code into your header, and that's basically how you can adjust the widget. Now here is a widget customization, styles, right? So that's something that you can also change, like the style can be red, whatever. The chat window, title and intro, live chat assigned, right here. Additional options, right here you can add multiple different options. Messaging, acknowledgement, right? You can also do that, and then you can get the code. So that's pretty much it, right? That's pretty much it for this tutorial. Obviously, we will have more tutorials on this, on how to create or make AI chatbots. So yeah, definitely check out our channel for more. Check out 30-day free trial on GoHighLevel if you want to try this tool out. And yeah, we'll see you in the next upcoming video. Thank you guys for watching.